In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your YouTube videos from watch letter list. If you had added any videos on your watch letter list and you wish to clear your watch letter list, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go to your watch letter list and see all the videos you added. To do this, head over to You section on your YouTube account and then tap on watch letter. This will list all the YouTube videos added to watch letter list on your YouTube account. To remove any, just hover over to the video and then go to the end here and you'll see these ellipses. Go ahead and choose the option remove from watch letter. If I tap on this, now you can see that video has been removed. You can go ahead and remove all of them by repeating the same, and this will remove the videos from that list. And now my watch letter list is empty. So that's how you can remove YouTube videos from watch letter list using your computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.